How's it going, guys? I want to say welcome back to another video. I'm not sure why you're here looking at the email processing system. I'm not sure if you're already in the company looking at competition, or if you're looking to get started with the company but you're not sure, exactly, is it gonna work? What's gonna go on? I'm someone that was part of the email processing system for over 3 years, made a nice amount of money with it. It does work, gives you great training, but the thing that most people always seem to struggle with are leads, lead generation, keeping leads coming, keeping lead generation fun. And that's why I'm here to drop some special knowledge on what helped me keep consistent leads and just you know, keep the fun, in marketing. And that's what you're gonna see below when you click the link below. It's gonna be a device that I personally have been using for almost 2 years that brings people to whatever, website of my choice, day in and day out, wherever I'm at, even on the go, whether I'm at home, shopping. It's a device. It is not a system. I'm not selling you any training. This is an actual device, that actually has an update coming December 1st. So if you're seeing this video before December 1st, you want to take action and get started now and get the pricing, now, because the pricing will be going up December 1st, because these devices, just say these devices are going to be going to the next level. There's going to be people able to see your personalized ad on some of the top social media sites. Anyone that comes around you, your picture, your website, your ad is going to go to their social media accounts. I know it sounds crazy. Just know it's technology on the next level. You don't have to worry about, posting on this site, posting on this site. This is some real powerful marketing. I want to cut this video short. It doesn't need to be long. You're going to want to see this. You want to get started now so you can get set up and so you can start bringing in a lot of people, because there's going to be some great money made 2018, even into 2019. It's going to go viral. It's going to go crazy. So you want to get in now so I can help you get to the top. Like I said, I'm not sure where you found this. I'm not even sure where you found this video. Maybe it's not even on YouTube. But if it's on YouTube, most likely it's on the first page of email processing system, because that's also another one of my specialties. I show my team how to keep the videos at the top so people can see them. And maybe today isn't your time. You were just scrolling through. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Get us a thumbs up. And I welcome you. A lot of value going to be coming out. Like I said, my information will be below. Go check it out right now. I don't care if you're in email processing, still want to get started, going to get started. You're going to want to have this, and you're going to want to have it now. So I would take action as soon as possible, guys. Thank you and have a good day.